Yes,
All right,
Swati.
Arzu. Meanwhile, in some more breaking inputs, on the occasion of the 156th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan also paid homage to the father of the nation at Rajghat. India is celebrating Gandhi Jayanti today, marking the 156th birth anniversary of the Mahatma, who is remembered as the father of the nation. Arzu, like you said, we are seeing political personalities, in fact, lining up to pay their tributes to the Mahatma. However, I want to go back to how PM Modi, in fact, spoke about empowering people. And in his last Mann Ki Baat, we also saw how he said that on this occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, people should, in fact, adopt khadi and empower the people who are working in the handloom industry. So how is the public going forward with this appeal by the Prime Minister?
Well, definitely, the message is very clear. There are teachings that are still in use, and especially when we talk about Swadeshi Apnao. And once again, we can clearly see that how this message is flowing among the countries well. And clearly, Prime Minister has in fact talked about it that we should move towards this Swadeshi. In fact, the Chief Minister of various states have in fact urged the public to to adopt the Swadeshi. We have earlier done that. And of course, the teaching of the Mahatma Gandhi is never going to fade away. And in fact, the Prime Minister has paid homage to the Mahatma Gandhi and says that his ideals transform the course of human history. Along with the Prime Minister, Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan has in fact paid a floral tribute to the Mahatma Gandhi. And a lot of political leaders are going up at the Rajghat to pay their respect, to pay their floral tribute to the Mahatma Gandhi, and continues to, Mahatma Gandhi continues to inspire all of us from his courage, from his dedication for the country, and also, of course, the lessons he has given and the